This video is for class 5 science and your chapter is electricity. The first topic was atom. Atom is very tiny particle and it is made up by subatomic particles, means electron, proton and neutron. Electron carry negative charge, proton carry positive charge and neutron carry no charge. You can see on the diagram that in the center of an atom we have nucleus. Nucleus is formed with a combination of proton and neutron, and electron is rotate around the nucleus on its particular orbit. Let's talk about the nature of charges. Positive, negative attracts each other, means opposite charges attracts each other. And the same charges, means negative or positive will repel each other, but the opposite charges always attract each other. You can see here that positive are going far from each other, going in other two directions, but positive charge and negative charge are attracting each other. Similarly, the different poles of the magnets attracting each other, but the same poles of magnet always repel each other. Let's talk about static electricity, the type of electricity which is produced by friction when two objects rub with each other. So it is produced, and in static electricity we can take the example of any object like balloon or woolen cloth or a plastic comb. When we resist it with our hair, so our hair became very fly away. So why? Because the electron and proton, the charges transform from one object to another object, and this imbalance of electron is called static electricity. We do not give any power or any supply from main socket or battery. It is produced with the help of friction. Lightning is the example of static electricity which is produced by the friction in the clouds. Next, we have current electricity. So we provide a flow of current with the help of battery. So flow of electrons, and due to this flow electric current produced. You can see, and when we want to light a bulb or any uses of or electric appliances, so we have to give them any power supply or battery charge, so electrons move from the circuit and it helps. So next topic we have circuit. For the circuit we use fuse protect our appliances. It breaks the circuit and it helps to protect our appliance. You have to complete the given worksheet in PDF file. Thank you very much.